Hi guys, Velian speaks tech here, and today I want to show you how to enable voice recording on the OnePlus 7 or the OnePlus 7 Pro or 7T, 7T Pro, OnePlus 6, 6T and all OnePlus phones in Europe that don't come with this nice feature. If you want to find out how that's done, stick around
and watch the full video.
Let's go ahead and do it. What you first need to do is go in Play Store and search for a tool called OnePlus Tools. This is how it looks, OnePlus Tools ADB root. Don't get fooled by the ADB and root. You don't need root on your phone to enable it, and I'll show you. Right. Let me just go here and dial a number. Okay, you see here that I don't have any call recording options. Let's go here, Play Store, hit OnePlus Tools ADB root, hit the install button. Okay, very quick. Now open the tool. Okay, now it will say get started, then you should just press next. Cut those guys to the XDA, so if you want to check latest news around phones and especially OnePlus 7, XDA is the place. Okay, go next. Very, very important guys. This app needs write secure settings permission to apply the changes. So this is actually the tricky part here. You have to enable this command from ADB. And if you remember my video about removing the black bar which you can see here, we are gonna do it into the exact same way by using our PC. So I'm just pressing copy to clipboard. Usually what you can do, you can put this into Messenger or into Telegram. So just look for a way to get this directly on your PC. So just copy that command and execute it by connecting your phone. You should have the developer settings enabled. How you can do this, just go in settings, about phone, tap on the Oxygen version several times. I'm already a developer, but then you'll become a developer. If you have a PIN, you need to enter the PIN code, then just search for developer options, and you have to make sure that the USB debugging setting is on. So when this happens, connect the phone. I'll put the link down below to the minimal ADB command and just execute this command exactly as I do it right now. Now it's time for the funny part. I have copied the secret code, guys, into a text file. I'm gonna show you right here. So you need to make sure that you execute this ADB command while your phone is connected. Okay, so I'm taking the phone, putting the cable, connecting it to my PC, and opening the terminal. I will leave a link below where you can download minimal ADB. Now, very important, to make sure that the phone is properly connected, you just need to type ADB devices, all right? It will take some time for the magic to work, the daemon will have to start, and then eventually you'll see list of devices attached. Now, what we can see here that my phone is not attached, so I have to try again. Okay. All right. On the phone, guys, on the phone, you should have a message saying USB debugging connected. Okay, now let me try it again. Okay, you see here, list of devices attached, then you see the ID and then you see your device. Sometime it could be the case that you get a message here that the phone is connected but it's not authorized. If that's the case, you need to go back to the developer settings and make sure that you revoke the authorizations. If this doesn't help, then you need to reinstall the driver, but let's hope that you're in this scenario. So now just go back, guys, take the very secret command that we just transferred previously and just execute it like this. Boom, here it is. Okay guys, I'm going to continue now the setup of the call recording. In the meantime,
Please subscribe for my
channel, guys. I just have 155 subscribers and I think that's nothing. So can you help me grow? I hope yes, please do it for me. And again, hit the like button and tell your friends to subscribe as well. Going back to the phone and continuing the installation. If you have executed the code and everything went correctly, you can go back on your phone and just press the OnePlus Tools, and then you're gonna get the menu, guys. Now, in order to enable call recording, you have to go to call recorder settings, enable call recorder, but also enable call recorder service. So you're gonna get here an icon. And let's test this, guys. Let me call somebody and try to record at the other end. All right, so dialing somebody. And very important now, you have some legal information here, right? When you enable call recording, apparently this message pop-ups, all right? Just have in mind, especially in Europe where we have the GDPR, it's not very legal, actually it's not legal at all to call record your calls, but you know, we don't really care. I mean, nobody can tell you what to do, right? So you can record whatever you want. Okay, so go ahead, let's try to call somebody and see if it works. And boom, here it is. I have now the record button. I'm gonna go and pick the phone on the other end of the room, so I'm gonna leave it here. Let me press the record button. Okay. Very important disclaimer.
Call recording. When you record, or when you go abroad, change your SIM card, or purchase the OnePlus phone sold in other countries, the call recording feature may be disabled and hidden to comply with regulations of some countries or regions. Please note, it is suggested to get clear agreement from the other party before recording the call, otherwise you may undertake the corresponding legal liability.
So guys, every time you do record a call, you have to notify the person on the other end, alright? So call your girlfriend, you want to call record her, just tell her. Call your mother, you want to call record her, just tell her. Call your teacher, you want to call record your teacher, just tell him, alright? Just tell the guys that you are recording them. Let me try to do the test again. Dialing my other number, alright? I'm putting here the record button. Okay, enable call recording, and actually guys, here you have these nice features popping up. You can have all the calls auto-recorded, and then you can also just record some specific numbers or just some specific ranges. Alright, so let's go back. Let's see what happens. Who is calling? Are you from the FBI? Are you from the CIA? Please don't stop calling me and stop harassing me. I know that you are recording my call, and that's not legal. I'm gonna sue you. Alright, sorry, it's a mistake, bye. Okay guys, so let's see what happened here. I'm gonna press now end, okay? And now you see you get a message saying recording completed. And if we see here, you should go and see recording completed. You can click open recorder to check the call recording. Actually, this is the very standard voice recorder used in OnePlus. Let's click here and see if that worked.
Who's calling? Are you from the FBI? Are you from the CIA? Please don't stop calling me and stop harassing me. I know that you're recording my call, and that's not legal. I'm gonna sue you. Alright, sorry, it's a mistake, bye.
Alright. So guys, as you can see, this works like a charm. And just one suggestion here guys, if you want to check your recordings, then you should go always back and you can find the call recorder here, just press recorder. You can then go here and delete it. This notification will always stay here, so if you don't want to get it there, go do like this, app info, and disable the notifications, and you see here now this service is running, but you don't have any notifications, and every time you do want to record somebody, it will be active. Just again, please let the people know if you do this. If you don't do this, it's on your own. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video, share it, and have a nice day. Velian Speaks Tech.